Shortly after the arrival, the Prime Minister, Anwar Ibrahim, departed for the presidential palace here in Delhi, where he was formally welcomed by the President, José Ramos-Horta, and other government officials. The ceremony included the playing of both national anthems, a 19-gun salute, and an inspection of the Guard of Honor. The two leaders then signed the official guest book, posed for the official photo, and proceeded to a private diplomatic discussion at the president's office, followed by a courtesy meeting with both Timorese and Malaysian delegations.
It is a great pleasure that I warmly welcome my dear friend Datuk Seri Anwar Ibrahim on his official visit to Timor-Leste. Prime Minister Anwar's visit is a testament to the deep, profound, enduring friendship between our countries. Malaysia stood with us during the most critical moment of our history, always shown unwavering support is something that we, the people of Timor-Leste, will never forget. Our discussions have been warm, constructive, focused on the future as we prepare for our historic accession to ASEAN this October in Kuala Lumpur. Malaysia's support partnership has been invaluable. We are committed to working closely with Malaysia and all ASEAN members to fulfill the remaining milestones on our path to full membership. We agreed to deepen our bilateral cooperation for the mutual benefit of our peoples. We will encourage greater Malaysian investment in key sectors like agribusiness, tourism, renewable energy. We will expand opportunities for our young people through education, vocational training in Malaysia. And we will work to improve connectivity between our countries, making travel and trade easier. Tomorrow, we look forward to gaining from Prime Minister's wisdom as he addresses our nation in the 2025 presidential lecture series with the theme ASEAN and the role of Timor-Leste. It will be my distinct honor also tomorrow to bestow upon Prime Minister Datuk Seri Anwar Ibrahim the Grande Collar da Ordem de Timor-Leste, the Grand Collar, our highest national award. This award recognizes his personal, long-standing advocacy for our cause and Malaysia's pivotal role under his leadership in supporting our national development, our journey to become the 11th ASEAN member. Timor-Leste and Malaysia are more than just neighbors. We are partners in building a peaceful, prosperous, integrated, united Southeast Asia. I am confident that this visit will open a new, exciting chapter in our relations.
Thank you, President Ramos-Horta, for this invitation to me and my delegation. And Prime Minister Nana will be discussing further tomorrow. But this is an eventful visit because it means a lot, understanding the historical antecedents of both countries and the commitment shown from the beginning, pre- and post-independence of Timor-Leste, from the time of Prime Minister Tun Mahathir to the Tusi Najib. And now my task is therefore to enhance these bilateral relations between the two countries. I am very pleased to welcome you personally, a dear friend of the family for decades, who were there in the most difficult times that we had to endure. And therefore, this visit is both personal and, of course, official in the sense that we want to ensure that the fields of trade, investments, tourism, education, defense is given some priority, and to be effected through meetings with our ministers and our delegation members. I'm also pleased that Petronas has agreed to participate in this effort together with many of our private sector companies, because I think your accession to ASEAN is, of course, a matter of time, and that Malaysia to play this part because you are in the region, you have been building that consensus, you have shared ASEAN values and determination, you are a fervent fighter for the cause of freedom and justice, and therefore the accession of Timor-Leste to ASEAN will be of immense benefit to us all. And of course, we begin by just geopolitical considerations, but you can deepen through economic investment and cultural issues, which we think can be further enhanced. So thank you again, my dear friend, and thank you for all the years of support and concern, and we will certainly have a big celebration for your accession to ASEAN in October 2025. Terima kasih.
Later on this evening, the program continues with an official state dinner at the GMN Multi-Uses Hall, which will be co-hosted by the President Ramos-Horta as well as with the Prime Minister Xanana Guzman. This state visit is expected to reinforce bilateral relations between Timor-Leste and Malaysia, with cooperation across defense, communications, and international development high on the agenda. From the Presidential Palace here in Delhi, I'm Digna Sarang, reporting for TATOLI. Acompaña notícia atual no credível. Catalua like, subscribe, no share, website www.tatoli.tl, página Facebook Antil, no YouTube Tatoli IP.